Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and this is not a Tuesday of tutorial like the other ones. This one is a celebration because Fine Art Tips just got to 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much, that would never have happened without you. Thank you and congratulations to you too as you are part of this. To celebrate and to acknowledge you, I want to give out some prizes. But just before we do that, let's take a look at the plate and also at a brief history of Fine Art Tips. Here it is, the so awaited award. It comes from a nice letter from Susan, the CEO of YouTube, which says, "You are bigger than Vancouver. You are bigger than Venice. You are even bigger than Las Vegas." Let's carefully take it out. Take it from the protective bag. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. So elegant. Presented to Fine Art Tips, that means you and I, for passing 1 million subscribers. Wow, I can't believe it. And it really shines. Up here, it is like a mirror. Look at that. Where should we put it? Oh, I know, here, on this base, so that it is by my other 1 million award. The one from my other channel in Spanish, which is called Arte Divierte, Art is Fun. I got this other one over a year ago, so the model is a little bit different, but both are beautiful. And now, join me going back in time to the beginnings of Fine Art Tips. Hello and welcome to another Chucho Tuesday. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and I am so happy to see you again. The image and sound were not very good. We began in May of 2010, uploading videos where I didn't even speak, so I can't even call them tutorials. But after my kind audience demanded, not so kindly, to narrate them, I did. I like them, these lips are getting really sexy. I give it more texture, more detail, and especially I got darker. It was then that I uploaded the water drop video, which gave life to my channel and which by now has over 10 million views. We also started making tutorials of other subjects, such as sports cars. We always wanted to share valuable content, such as how to draw the figure from memory. The subjects were very different, from angels to demons. And there was also a variety of techniques. This tutorial of how to draw an eagle with watercolor pencils also became very popular. And that may be because this technique has some magic. We drew flowers and fruits, sometimes made out of crystal. And talking about crystal, this Swarovski swan became another one of the populars. We looked up to the sky and to the universe and scattered some stars for this nebula. We were not limited to drawing and painting. We also modeled some sculptures, like this one, of the golden eagle. We embraced the light of the watercolor, the melancholy of the ink, and the darkness of charcoal. I had to face several challenges that you sent me, Like this one of drawing using only the eraser. That was a good challenge. But this channel is not only for fun, it is also to improve. And that is why we showed the best exercise to get rid of the bad lines and to make beautiful ones. By making long, loose and continuous strokes. And we explained how with only 5 minutes of drilling every day, your lines can improve notably. In these exercises, we were meant to draw lines without interruptions, without breaks, making the longest lines possible. I advise you to watch or re-watch this tutorial and to put the exercises in practice. It can make a big difference. Here in Fine Art Tips, we created from wild beasts to sweet and faithful friends. We showed how to achieve a realistic skin so that the drawings don't look like out of the Pink Panther, and even how to draw a perfect circle. And we could not leave out some simplified anatomy. For example, to easily draw a foot from any angle. And yes, we also did some oil paintings. By the way, high-speed paintings. That was a very short summary of the several hundreds of videos we have created during these 9 years here on Fine Art Tips. Please let me know what kind of video would you like to see more of. Thank you very much for being part of this and congratulations to you. Now the prizes. The first one will have 2 winners and they will be selected through a raffle. The awards will be something that I have been asked for very much, and is to give advice, a little mentorship to you in regards to your drawings. So we will make a call through Skype or some other medium, and we will talk one-on-one. You will be able to show me your drawings, your paintings, and I will make you a little critique, and I will give you advice of how you can improve. Also in that call, you can actually ask me anything you want in regards to, for example, your artistic career or anything like that, and I'll give you my best advice I can. To participate, you only need to write a comment saying that you want to participate on a picture that I will place on Instagram. Right now, I'm publishing a picture of the celebration that will say Fine Art Tips got to 1 million subscribers or something like that. On that photo, place a comment saying I want to participate, and I will select the winners from that randomly. I will select them on the 4th of October, that's in about 10 days, to give some time for people to see this video and to participate. And I will announce the winners in 2 weeks exactly, on Tuesday, the 8th of October. And the other prize will be for all of you. And it's something that I have been asked a lot, which is to make a longer tutorial. So I am publishing, in addition to this, today, a long tutorial that you can see with the link that I will place at the end of this one. I hope you enjoy it and that is helpful. Again, thank you so much and congratulations, and let's keep celebrating.